You have to take care of the sheep. You have to clip the wool of the sheep. You have to spin the wool of the sheep. Then, in this village, since 700 years, people use 5 colors. You have to grow 5 plants. From those 5 plants, you make the dyes. Then you dye the wool, and then you can start knotting knot per knot per knot. Abar! Because this lady here follows her village design. This is her village carpet design. She follows this design line per line, millimeter per millimeter. And 1.1, every millimeter here is a knot. So for instance, when the lady follows this line here, she takes number 22 from the back, and these two she knots together by doing wrap, double wrap. Ooh, this is one knot. And then she goes to number 23. She takes number 23 from the front to make the carpet more kuat. Padat. And after the padat, she will clip. She will clip to make the front side of the carpet of the same length as the You see? And now for this lady, it starts all over again. Now again she will be nodding, hitting, clipping.
Tak terbang pun. Ustaz, bila dia nak terbang? Nampak?
Chụp cái này luôn đi.
Nè.
Chưa. Ôi trời ơi.
Rồi, chụp rồi.
Trời ơi mẹ.
Anak sayang. Anak sayang.
Nhậu.
Yeah. It is snowing right now. Nak pergi masuk apa? Restoran bawah tanah.
Dede Effendi Kaya Restoran. Kaya Restoran.
Macam hujan. Dede Effendi Kaya Restoran. We need another cube of sugar.
Semua lemak cili api.
Thank you. Biasa masak lemak cili api, sabar je lah. Nasi apa tu? Kuati. Boleh ke?
Lembut je kulit dia?
Nah.
Dia bagi ke ni bawa dari Malaysia ni? Ha?
Tadi beli kat
Dia beli ke?
kat sana.
Tengok tu.
Pigeon tadi.
Saya nak masukkan dekat tepi ni, masuk dalam ni.